So today we'll be looking at theory of cost. The theory of cost. First of all, let's look at the definition of cost. What is cost of production? For us to understand better the cost of production, we must know what it takes to produce a particular commodity or product. For production to take place, factors of production must be what? Must be employed. We must have our land, we must have our labor, we must have our capital, and also what we call the entrepreneur or the management. So there are four factors of production, or yes, factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. And all these factors must be rewarded. They must be what? Rewarded. For example, the reward for land is rent. The reward for labor, once you employ workers to produce, which we call the labor, you must pay them what we call wages or salary. And the reward for capital, which may be either the money you invest in the business or some other asset, capital asset. The reward is interest. And the management, you must pay them, which is what we call profit. The entrepreneur, you must pay them. So the cost of production is the payment made for these factors of management. Today we'll be looking at the mole. The mole. The amount of substance is measured in mole. The amount of chemical substance is measured in mole. What is mole? Just like we measure our petrol in liters, so is the amount of substance, the amount of chemical substance is measured in mole. The mole of a substance is the amount that contains as many elementary entities as we can see in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. And these elementary entities could be atoms, molecules, or ions. What does this actually mean? Um, the word mole is a look like a dozen. When you say a dozen of any substance, it contains 12 of that substance. The number of substance contained in a dozen is 12. And so we say the mole is the amount that contains as many elementary entities as you can see